Good morning, y'all. I did a thing and ended up buying a 2025 Z900 SE in Oregon. And yeah, we're gonna go pick it up today. All right, got to get this trailer hooked up to the back of the Passport. And then we are heading to Sublimity, Oregon for the Z900 over in Power Motorsports. About a 4-hour drive. So hopefully it doesn't take all fucking day. Yeah, which it's definitely gonna take all day, but that's okay. Skirt! Oh god. Alright, yeah. Go. Go. Boom. Yeah. There you go. That's a bit better. I don't want this thing dangling around the whole freaking time. Come on, baby. There we go. Alrighty. Trailer's all hooked up. Gotta get the dogs packed up and let's see. Yeah, those lights are on. Alright. Get this thing all ready to go and we're out of here. Alright, everybody's loaded. Got our coffee. About that time. See you guys when we get up there. Alright, made it to Power Motorsports. Let's go check out the bike. If anybody's in the area, in Oregon, Washington, anywhere basically in the surrounding area of Oregon, Power Motorsports. Man, no crate, no setup fee. I got the Kawasaki Z900 SE for $10,800. I mean, they really hooked it up. This bike is fucking sexy. Can't wait to get home and ride it. Got it all strapped up real nice. But yeah. Oh, whoops. Alrighty, trailer's been dropped off. Time to rip home. Got everything in my pockets, man. All right, let's fucking run it. Feel like I should put this somewhere safer, like my pocket. That would be bad if I lost my only form of identification on the bike at the moment. There we go. All right, let's fucking get it.
Oh, these mirrors are not adjusted to me at all. Oh well. Whew, this thing feels freaking crispy, dude. Oh my god. It shifts, like the gearbox, it feels so good. Oh my gosh. This thing is sick. Alright, my mirror's a little loose. Alright, let's not fuck with anything. Oopsie. Oh, a quick shifter. Oh, that is so nice. Yeah, I gotta fix my mirror when I get home. Holy shit. Oh, a quick shifter is so sick. This bike feels fucking good already, and I've barely gotten to ride it. This thing is so cool. Oh man, I'm hyped for this bike. This bike's gonna be fucking so fun to ride. Let's see, a little downshift. Oh, that is so sick. Gonna have to adjust my brakes a bit better. This mirror is really fucking the only bad part right now. It's like so fucking loose. Oh, this is so sick. Oh, this bike is fucking sick. Oh my god, dude. It's got an auto blipper on it, man. It's got everything. This thing is fucking gnarly. And it's just in rain mode. It feels so good. Yeah, definitely gonna need to adjust that brake lever a bit for me. After some minor adjustments, it'll be freaking perfect, dude. Trying to not break the 4 to 5K RPM. I want to be really good to this bike and make sure that I don't fucking go past what the maintenance says. You already know, gotta bring it straight onto the freeway, baby. This bike feels sick, man. Yeah, what? I'm 220 on this bike. I'm sitting at like 5'11". It feels good, man. Real good, man. Feet are firmly planted. Like, hopefully get to go out on a night ride with my other buddy. Oh man, it's so tempting to just send it. Oh, this is so fucking sick, dude. Can't wait to fucking put the parts and stuff on it, get the exhaust on it. It's gonna sound fucking gnarly. I'm planning on tuning this too. Only thing that sucks is I literally can't see out of my mirrors that this one is just like, it's not falling off, but it's definitely needs to be tightened. I gotta bust my tools out when I get home. Oh, the auto blipper, dude. Oh, shit. Gotta go easy on these tires. Oh, man, it's so smooth, dude. Oh, it's so smooth. It feels fucking good. Can't wait to try out the cruise control out of all things on this bike. Oh, sick, man. All right, guys, I'll hopefully be going out on a night run later, and you guys will sure to be seeing that on a separate video probably. But yep, that's it for today.